Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Mac meets the basics: a recent Mac OS and enough free disk space. This prevents failed patches. Once done, quit Genshin completely and open the official launcher or Ho-Yo LAB app so the updater can run. Sign in with your account, then look for the Update, Repair, or Check for Updates option. Start that first action now because the launcher handles file checks and versioning automatically. Once the updater begins, you'll see download progress and speed. Keep an eye on % complete and don't interrupt the process. If the launcher flags corrupted files or offers a repair, run it. That revalidates checksums and replaces broken assets, which saves time over a full reinstall. Make sure your Mac won't sleep and pause other heavy network use so the patch finishes cleanly. This ensures integrity and avoids partial downloads that trigger errors later. After downloads finish, restart the launcher and then launch the game so new files load properly. This completes client-side patch application. If the update failed or the game crashes, first rerun the repair option, and if that doesn't help, re-download the installer from the official source and reinstall. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the launcher cache before reinstalling. That removes stale temporary files that often cause repeated update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.